Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build an elevator in Heartopia. So you'll need the portal things, portal doors, and I'm just going to build a floor here. I'm just going to build it as is. You can change the color of the walls and the floorings later, but I'm just going to use the default color here so I won't take too much of your time, and we're just going to build a 2x2 room here for the elevator, and then we're going to build another floor. It depends on the size of your floors as well. This is just the elevator part. So here I'm just going to do that. And then, oh, actually, let me delete this first because I need to put in the portals. So let's go to the furniture. Let's go to entertainment. And I'm just going to place the portal here. Doesn't matter really the color, but I'm just going to use the blue one because you can't see it later anyways. There we go. And then, oops. Then I will add, okay, let me just add that later on actually. Then we're going to select the move button, the multi-select button, when we're just going to glitch that. Oops. Oh my gosh, why doesn't it never work on the first try? And I keep saying that because it just doesn't. We're going to place it out of bounds. There we go. Then we are going to grab some pillars. And actually, we're going to go to others and we're going to use the wooden wall sculpture, and we're just going to basically cover this wall in the same color as the rest. I'm going to make my elevator later gray, so I'm just going to do that. Hold on, let me just do it like that so I don't have to change the colors like so. Oh my gosh, this is going to take a while, so just be patient. And you're going to do that for the bottom room elevator as well, like here. So I'm just going to speed through it. Okay, then I'm just going to close the rooms of everything. Like so. I'll add a roof above that as well. And we are going to add the elevator door. I'm just going to use the joinery double door for this. Place 2 here. And then press complete. Confirm creation. I'm doing it in Blueprint, so I don't know if I can really show you how it works, but it does work. So it's just the portal is closed. So it looks like you're going nowhere, but it's kind of like an elevator concept, I guess. And here I'm just going to press edit and go to solo build. Again, I'm not sure if I can show you guys how it works, but basically you'll go through this one and then you'll go through the one on top. Let's go to trial and see if that works. I don't think it does. But basically you'll go in here. Oh, actually it does work. And you'll be on the second floor. So yeah, that is it basically. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!